Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD, and as you can see, I've already drawn some key support and resistance level. There was a breakout here just when I enter the market, but let's just wait and see how the market is moving so that we can take our trade accordingly. To analyze the market, you can see the market is clearly on an uptrend, and so let's just wait for an opportunity to take a trade in the direction along with the trend. I'll skip forward to the part where I take the trade and then I'll explain you the setup. Guys, as you can see, I've taken a down trade over here, and the reason is because the market has hit the strong resistance level over here, and this was the previous support level where the market got rejected and went above, and the market started falling and becoming weaker from this very level. And with this candlestick confirmation, I took a trade in the downward direction as the market was moving very sharply in the upward direction and needs some kind of retracement. So that's the reason I took this downward trade. Let's see how this trade goes and then I'll explain you the complete setup. We have won this trade clearly with a huge margin again, as you can see. And the reason why I took this trade is because I told that I'd be taking a trade in the upward direction since the trade was a uptrend. The trend was an uptrend. So as you can see, I marked these levels, which was strong resistance level. This was the market's previous high. So this was the highest level, and where from the market started falling down again. So this was a very strong resistance level, which gave me the confirmation or an indication that the market can reverse. But I wanted to wait for the candlestick confirmation. So what I did was, as soon as the market hit here, I was trying to take a 1-minute trade as soon as the market hits the above level, but unfortunately the market hit it for a microsecond and then just started dropping down, and the entry was not safe for us for a 1-minute trade. So that's the reason I did not take the 1-minute trade. However, I came back to our 5-minute chart and I was observing the market since this was a good support level, and I waited for the market to fall down and break this level. As I saw the market hitting this level, there was no strong rejection, so that indicated me that the buyers have become weak and the sellers have become strong. So that's the reason why I took a 5-minute trade over here, and we had a good enough room for the price to move downwards since the trend line is over here. This is where we can get strong support from the buyers. The next level of support is over here. So that's the reason I took a 5-minute trade over here, since we have good enough time for the market to fall down in the downward direction, and we won with a clear margin. So that is it for the 5-minute trading setup, guys.